We just tried triangle, square, hexagon,
and circle wheels.
Which wheels are easy and fast to ride? Which wheels are easy and fast to ride? Which wheels are easy and fast to ride? It's very hard to ride with square wheels. Which wheels are easy and fast to ride?
Hexagonal wheels don't require much energy.
It's very tiring to ride with triangular wheels.
Round wheels are easy to ride.
What kind of wheels ride smoothly and doesn't hurt your butt? What kind of wheels ride smoothly and doesn't hurt your butt? What kind of wheels ride smoothly and doesn't hurt your butt?
It's very smoothly to ride with round wheels. These are going up and down while riding. My butt hurts. Got it. Circle wheel is energy saving and steady, so we use circle wheels.
You're right. Quacky finally understand why wheels are circular. Kids, do you know why? Lesson finished. Share the knowledge you just learned with your parents.
Besides vehicle wheels, there are many types of wheels in life. How do they work? Let's check it out. What kind of wheels does a crawler carrier have?
Put it all together. Steering wheel, tank tread, load wheel, driving wheel. The wheels of a crawler carrier are very special. There are many wheels driving the long tank tread. The crawler carrier carries dirt. The tank tread grips the ground tightly, so the crawler carrier doesn't slip. Look, with the wide tank tread, the crawler carrier is less likely to get stuck in the mud. The wide tank tread allows the crawler carrier to move more smoothly.
The crawler carrier reaches its destination. Let's fill the big hole with dirt. Yeah, mission accomplished! How does the pottery wheel work?
Put it all together. Pottery wheel. Clay. On the spinning pottery wheel, it is easier to make shapes out of the clay.
Pottery firing is completed. Why does the flag go up high? Come see what wheels are on the flagpole.
Put it all together. Fixed pulley. Fixed pulley. The rope for raising the flag is wrapped around the fixed pulley on the flagpole. Try to pull the rope. In which direction will the flag go up? How to bring the flag down? It won't move. Try to change the direction. 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 It won't move. Try to change the direction.
Huh? The hands of the clock are not moving. What kind of wheels are in the clock? Gear. Gear. Gear.
There are many gears in a clock. How do they transfer power? The power. Look at the gears. Do they all turn at the